Hi everyone, I've got a Peugeot 307 here on a 2005-2006 plate. What we're doing is we're doing a pollen filter on this one. That's the pollen filter. The part number that you need is this here. That's the part number for the pollen or the cabin filter. Now to locate it, it's quite a simple one on this one. Usually some cars have it inside the glove compartment. Some have it just around sort of this area here. Now with this one, it's right on the inside, as you can see. And you've got enough space here as well to work around in. So you've got a little handle. What you do, you gently pull the handle. Take the whole cover out. That's the cover. And you've only got 1 lug, 2 lug, 3 lug, 4 lug, 5 lug and a 6th lug there, which clips in. Now the arrow sign on this, as you can see, is facing downwards. So when we do take this one out, we got it out. This is quite dirty. So we got the old one out. As you can see, it is quite dusty right there. Look, all the stuff from the trees and everything. Now we've got the new one, which you got to remember, it was facing down. So we slot the new one in nicely and then slot it right through. That's it. That's all you got to do now. As you can see, the arrow there as well is facing down. All you then do is get the cover and then slot the cover back on. You got to remember, it'll make a clicking noise. Just got to make sure. Here we go. That's clipped in. That's clipped in as well. So make sure the seals are on properly. That's it. That's all you got to do on your car. Any more information, please do let us know. And we'll try our level best to help you out. Goodbye.